Hello and welcome to the SIS online classes. Myself Umesh Kangwal, and today I am going to start computer science of class 11 to show that in this case this is the optional subject computer science. Let me discuss about the Python. Now, first of all, I would like to discuss between you the overview of the Python. Basically, the Python is a general purpose dynamic interpreted integrated and the multi-purpose platform object oriented programming language. It is available for free, can run pretty and much every current platform. It is also a dynamic object oriented programming language that can be used for making a kits for software development. Whatever the gaming is going on nowadays, whatever the online gaming is over there, if each and every can be made by the Python because it's very easily and portable language and very light language also. It offers a strong support to integration with the other languages and tools. It comes to extensive standard libraries. Python is a high-level multi-purpose programming language because there are two primary implementation of the Python language. First one is the C Python and second one is Jython. C Python means, what do you mean by C Python? It is developed, comes from the C programming language. Basically, it is the original standard implementation of the Python. It comes from the fact of the coding the portable NSI C language code available in www.python.org. Next, the Jython. Jython is the originally is the JPython. What do you mean by Jython? Is related to the Java implementation basically. It is an alternate implementation of the Python language targeted the integration with the Java programming language. Python consists of Java classes to compile the Python sources code to the Java bytecode and then route the resulting bytecode to the Java virtual machine means JVM. Now next is the Python.NET. Python.NET is an experimental implementation of Python. It is designed to allow the Python program to integrate with the applications coded the Microsoft.NET framework and C#. Next is the features of the Python. Now let me discuss about the features of the Python. Actually, this is the first one is easy to learn. This language very easy to learn because each and student learn very easily manner and easy to read. The students can and another programmer can easy to read and easy to maintain also. It has a broad standard library. Then whatever the methods and the classes we require, then you can download from there. You can implement in a program these standard libraries. Free and open sources. What do you mean by free and open sources? Actually, free and open sources because of it is free to download and open sources. This is why you can install each and every system basically. High level languages, the high level language because the object oriented language and right now this language is using a very high times basically high level. That's the high level language. Interactive mode, this is support the interactive mode also, and it is portable means this language can help to install each and every PC whatever this belongs to Windows operating system and the Mac operating system also. Interpreted means whatever the code we have written over there and it was executed one by one. Basically, it compiles one by one. No need to wait up the full line 10 compile, no need. But just compile whatever I'm written over there, compiles one by one. And next one is the object-oriented extendable. Object-oriented because of the object-oriented languages, it is because we can create the different kind of the objects whenever we need to use this language. It can extend language because the libraries and the standard libraries and the program you can extend according to your need. Extensions, libraries, it has a broad database, so it supports the GUI programming, means graphical user interface programming. It can easily interpreted with the C, C++, COM, ActiveOS, Cobra and Java. Support the automatic garbage collection. You know well what do you mean by automatic garbage collection. First you will have to know about garbage. Garbage means waste memory basically. It can support automatic garbage collection. It can collect the backend memory into the PC. Now downloading and installing, how to install and how to download this language. You can just produce the Python produce different version of the different operating systems. Python is available on all the major operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix, operating systems 2, Mac and Amiga etc. It can be confusing trying to find out the correct version of the Python. You can download the Python www.python.org/download. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.